Paano mo nga ba puprotektahan yung bahay na pinangarap at pinag-iipunan mo laban sa mga sakuna kagaya ng pagbaha, lindol, sunog at iba pa? At dyan pumapasok si House Protect. It's a type of insurance that ensures that your dream home is protected against any risk that could endanger your property and your family. At ang pinakamaganda rito, it provides coverage for incidents kagaya ng sunog at pwede mo nga extend sa mga natural disasters kagaya ng pagbaha, volcanic eruption, lindol, tsunami at marami pang iba. Maraming insurance company na nag-offer ng ganitong protection pero ang lagi nating tanong dapat, gaano ba sila kabilis when it comes to insurance claim? Baka naman sa paniningil lang ng insurance payment magaling, pagdating ng claim napakatagal at napakabagal, di ba? At dyan pumapasok yung fast and reliable insurance claim service ni Standard Insurance. And when it comes to House Protect, Standard Insurance also offer third-party liabilities and they also cover injuries resulting from accidents at home. Kung nasunog yung bahay mo, tinamaan ng kidlat, sumabog yung gasol, natutulog kayo, nabangga ng sasakyan yung bahay nyo, may mga nasugatan, covered ng insurance yan. Pwede mo rin na-extend yung coverage ng insurance mo aside from natural calamities, pwede rin makover yung burglary or robbery. So covered na covered yung bahay mo. For more info about House Protect, you can contact our customer service number at 0288451111. O diba, daling tandaan? Or you can visit any of their branches nationwide. Huwag mong hayaang mawala yung pinagpaguran mo, make sure na protektado ka. Yan lang.